your friendly Casper in the neighborhood. Mic check.
This is our day.
Sorry guys, I had my voice enabled and it's disabled. Talking game striker.
Nothing, cat.
Alright.
One by car.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, I'm alone?
Yep.
They just one time.
One is to your left.
Ah!
That's the only good person on their team. Guys, remember, watch out for Bukkake.
But daddy!
Not you. Not you. You get that later.
Let's move out.
That sounds dirty.
It's supposed to.
Throwing a grenade.
Alright.
Alright, alright, alright.
It's like cat.
Oh, bullshit.
One
Two
on
going
capstone. There you go. Bink.
One on flat.
Come on, Bukkake. You want some? Ooh, I don't like that.
Terrorists win.
With the dink, though.
Bomb has been planted.
Yeah, I'm kind of... Yeah. Yeah, good game, guys.
Same.
Sounds
playing
like you're
with you.
all a bunch of pussies.
Yeah.
Move it, move it.
Literally, they have one good person on their team.
Bomb speed. Damn it, 2 lower. Nice.
He's either cat or CT right now. Got him.
Nice shot.
I got an AK. This is terrible.
Alright, I'm going A this time. Someone go B instead of me.
I'll go.
Don't be afraid. Let's go.
I'll go back to cat.
Yeah.
Laying down smoke.
It's no fun. Xbox. It's no Xbox.
On lower 10. Or 2, yeah, bomb's going up here.
One's mid.
Yep. One lower tons.
Throwing fire. Grenade.
Mid.
Yeah. Someone check
Waiting on
long.
cat just in case. I know one was upper mid. Ah, last guy upper mid, only hit him 20.
Counter-terrorists win.
Aw man, you gonna let him save his AK?
Yep, it's only an AK, it's not worth my op.
We're wasting time. Let's go. Smoke.
One more.
He's to the right. He's an upper, I'm pretty sure.
Going lower.
He was. Okay.
Counter-terrorists win.
So, who's saying good game again? Alright. That's not
Yeah,
us
we should-
anymore, huh?
We should probably.
Yeah, their fucking top fragger just did not get a kill the last 3 rounds.
That's what happens when you kill him first.
Very true, very true.
Grenade out.
Down.
Bomb down long doors.
Counter-terrorists
Fucking strat roulette here.
They might actually be doing that. I've done it before in a game.
Yeah, same here.
It's actually quite fun.
Yeah, but
We have 3
always work
AKs.
out. Like I had one where we had
Let's go,
to
let's go.
run backwards, and that's all we could do is run backwards.
throwing
I mean, I've switched out, like, I've re-rolled them a few times, but... Because some of them are just retarded.
You can only hold one.
Your clip can only have one bullet in it.
Shot.
One more tons. Keep running. Lower.
Counter-terrorists win.
Three rifles, 2 ops, nice.
He's got 1 kill in the past 4 rounds.
Let's go, people.
Past 5 rounds.
I mean, I've done that before, though. I got an ace the first round, got a triple the second round, and then got raped for like 6 rounds after it.
He's on cat, the top frag.
And he fucking headshotted me, nice. Nice shot.
We got sight on bomb.
Incendiary.
No, I think there was one more mid. Cat.
One pit.
Fire in the hole.
One likes to sit upper mid. I don't know if he's
Are you
there.
kidding me?
On site. Purple.
Throwing flashbang.
There's two of them, sorry.
The other one's in pit. In pit with an AK.
Bullshit!
Oh, not in pit anymore.
Goose.
Grenade. Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
Nice try.
He thought he was gonna do a fake flash. Yeah.
Why did it take you guys so long to swap over to A?
I was on cat already.
Well, after Orange died on cat, there was no one there for days.
One lower. Mid. Long.
Going to T-spawn.
Blue, you good? Take that as a yes.
Oh, are you kidding me? I shot him.
Last guy
Fuck.
long.
Yeah. You know when you hear the bullet shoot, but you still die? That happened. Just wait right there. On site.
Ramp.
Planting.
Bomb has been planted.
And you get the op and the defuse.
I'm defusing the bomb. Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
What would you do if you were headshotted you through the box?
Anybody want it?
Nope.
I was gonna ask you if you wanted to buy, but you still had 14k.
I think I'm good.
Throwing smoke. Deploying flashbang. Incendiary out.
God damn it. One lower.
Were they swapping or not?
Two upper.
They're coming B.
Terrorists win.
Nice.
Here, Mint. I'm gonna go B this time. Mint, you can have A.
Let's get this over with.
You guys are